Hey guys, welcome back again on my makeup journey. First of all, if you have completed tutorial 1 and 2, then today's class is going to take your makeup skills to the next level. I will share professional techniques that can instantly improve your makeup results. So stay with me till the end. As always, first I clean my model's face with toner using wet wipes. Then I am using fresh look lenses which don't feel uncomfortable in the eyes at all, and they are very good. First I asked my model to look in the other direction and I took my lenses on my finger and placed my model's eye on its white portion. As soon as the lens is placed on the white portion, during the day I tell the model to focus her eyes and it will do so automatically. You can see how my finger is squeezing eyebrow and I am applying it to the white part. You will be able to see it again. You can see my model is smiling because she sees that the lenses are already in the place and she doesn't even realize it because it is the easiest method. It doesn't cause any problem with the model's eye. Now I am using Makeup Studio moisturizer, it also called Makeup Studio cream, or you can say night cream. I am using it on eye area because I am doing firstly the eye makeup only. After this I am using Forever 52 Pro foundations, and the foundation number you can take as per as your skin type. I'm going to apply this generously to the eye all over upper area of the eye and mix it and merge it. For merging, I am using foundation merging brush. I will merge it properly so that no area is left out without foundation. Now that the foundation is blended well, it's time to apply compact powder to set. For the compact, I am using MAC company compact, which serial number is NC15. By the way, I am using one shade up for the eye compact. As you can see, her skin tone is natural Indian tone. So in MAC company, the natural Indian tone shade number is NC35, and I am using for the eye base compact, I am using compact NC50, which is 2 shade up compact. It's time to do eye makeup. I started eye makeup with the eyeshadow merging brush. I started taking some nude pink color and I am merging it upwards. As you can see in the video, I am merging the pink color from the outer corner of the eye. After merging the pink color on the socket line, I am using black color and merge it outer corner of the eye at upwards. After applying pink eyeshadow and black eyeshadow and merging it, after that we will put some two-way gel on the eyeball area. Sorry, before putting two-way gel, I forgot to tell you that I also have to add a shimmer which has to be placed in the inner corner of the eye. That brings our eye very vibrant. You can also add a little shimmer under the eyebrows, just like that you can see. Before our two-way gels dries up, we should start applying glitter to it. I am taking the glitter color baby pink, which looks very decent. Now you can see how it looking. In my POV, the eye makeup is looking very decent, or you can say soft, but I need my eye makeup little bold, so I am taking some black color and merging outer corner of the eye on the glitter area only. You have to keep in mind that the black color you are taking from the eyeshadow merging brush should not be too dark, so you will have to move your hand very gently. Now the eyeshadow part is complete. It's time to make liner. I am using liquid liner, which company name is Maybelline. I am going for a very basic liner in a very basic way. After our eyeliner part is complete, it's time to put eyelashes. That brings our eye makeup more vibrant. Upper eye makeup is complete. You can see how it's beautiful looking. I'm removing excess under the eye area with the use of wet wipe. Now it's again time to use Makeup Studio Cream to moisturize our face. Today I am going to tell you something no one has told you before. If your moisturizer is too thick and you want your makeup long lasting, you can use this Emollient Cream Moisturizer Cream, which is easily available on the medical shops in India. I gently clean my hands, and with the clean hands I apply cream on face and merge it. After merging both the creams on face, I am doing liquid concealer, which is company name is as always Forever 52. This is a skin tone liquid concealer. You can call it color corrector also. We can also use orange color corrector here, but we are not doing that because orange color corrector specifically used for black dark circles and black spots on the face, on the black area only. Basically this is a color corrector theory. If you know, orange color always cuts the black color. As you can see, I put the concealer on the darkened area of the eye, under the eye area and lip, outer lip, and I am merging it with the merging foundation brush. After merging all the concealer, you can see our face is looking like a flat face. So we will put some foundation now. For the foundation I am using flat brush and start putting foundation under the eye area, only highlighting area just like nose, under eye area, cheeks. We will have flat brush only to use foundation on the highlighting area only, or rest of the face is remaining. We will use their beauty blender to blend it. Our beauty blender should be wet and washed before using it. What happened is that whatever extra foundation is applied and whatever has been observed by the skin, apart from whatever foundation is left, the beauty blender works on all of it. It will absorb all the excess from the face. Now our foundation part is done, as you can see. Now it's time to do some compact to fix the foundation. Firstly, I will do contouring on my nose, and I am taking MAC company foundation number 42. You can take it 45 as well for contouring. Model's face looks like square face, so I will do contouring on cheeks area or double chin area, so that our face looks like perfect shape. Contouring part is done. As you can see, our model face looks like very dark. So now it's time to do some highlighting part. I'm using compact number NC20, which is MAC company. I'm using it only under eye area, only upper eye or eyebrow, or you can say highlighting part. All the highlighting part I am covering it with this. After that, it's time to blush on. I'm using pink blush on, which company name is Forever 52 palette, blush on palette, and I'm using on only on cheeks and little bit of nose area, tip nose area. So now it's time to newly launched Forever 52 palette, highlight palette. It have so many highlighters. As far as makeup is concerned, people, or you can say makeup artists, lose their patience after applying it and apply a lot of highlighter with a big brush. So control your patience level and use gently brush, tiny brush to use highlighter on the face. As you can see, we have to do our eyebrows now. So we do our eyebrows and makeup is going to be almost perfect or done. I'm using black color and eyebrow brush and making a shading of outer eyebrows to the inner. That makes my eyebrows looking like realistic. Now I am starting to apply kajal using a black kajal pencil, which company name is PAC, and applying it to the outer corner of the eye. First I will apply kajal in the outer corner, then I will match it with the shading. As you can see on the screen, shading plays a huge role in makeup, whether it's foundation, compact or eyeshadows. Good shading skills ensure a better makeup finish, a better makeup results. Now it's time to apply lipstick. I used to be applied lipstick with the lipstick brush directly. If you are a professional, then you can use directly lipstick, but if you are a beginner, you can use a pencil to clear your lipstick shade. We have created 2 looks without changing our makeup. Let us know in the comment section which look you like the most. I don't charge you any money for makeup lessons. Yes, this makeup tutorial is completely free. All I need is a like and a little support on YouTube. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. You can send this video to those people who want to learn makeup and do not have money. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video.